Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Samantha. If you do not know me, if you do know me, welcome back like I said. Whew, I'm getting fast at saying that intro. In today's video, I am going to be doing a cooking video for my preschool 1 classroom. I used to cook once a week in our classroom with my children. We made things in our Instant Pot, blender, griddle, toaster, microwave, whatever you can think of. We were doing cooking activities once a week, so I'm gonna start doing cooking activities once a week as well. In this video, we're gonna be making yogurt granola bars. It is super simple to make. All you need is a pan, yogurt, granola, and I like to add a strawberry or any type of fruit on top, and then all you need is your freezer right there. And we'll pop it into the freezer, and then they're ready to go. All right, let's get cooking. I zoomed you in closer, that way you can see everything that I am doing to be able to make this recipe. So what you need is a spoon, granola, yogurt, and optional is fruit. I only have this left because I decided to start eating some of my strawberries. All right, your first step is you want to get your granola open. And you're gonna sprinkle it onto the tray. I'm gonna put some on, spread it around. And there are some bigger pieces, so I might just leave those in and kind of have some of my bars be a little bit more crunchier and thicker. Spread it all around, make sure it's covering the bottom of the tray. Perfect. All right, let's spread that out. And it looks like we are ready to roll. We have spread all of it out. I'm gonna spread just a little bit of the crumbs around. All right, your next step is you want to use yogurt. I'm using the Chobani Greek yogurt, and it's the vanilla flavor. So what you want to do is open up your yogurt, and then grab your spoon, mix it around a little if it needs any mixing. And next, you want to start tapping your granola. So I'm going to just put it on and put a couple scoops around, and then I will start spreading. All right, after you've covered most of it in yogurt, I just kind of did thin layer of yogurt. And my biggest tip is when I was kind of trying to spread it, I noticed that it was picking up the granola, obviously, and it was getting like stuck to it and kind of hard to spread. So what I ended up doing was taking a lot of yogurt scoops and kind of just putting it on top in different spots. And then once it was pretty much all covered, then I spread it around. And your last step that you need is you can just add your fruit. Remember I said that I ate some of mine already, so it probably won't cover the whole thing, but you can just add them wherever you like. And that is all of my fruit. So all you want to do is go pop this in the freezer for a couple hours and then it'll be ready to go. All you need to do is pop this in for a couple hours like I said, and then they'll be ready to go. So you just need to put it in, close your freezer, and in a couple hours we will check out how they turned out. Okay, after a couple hours have passed, you want to come back to your freezer and come pull it out and put it on the table. Make sure for this next step that you have a parent, guardian, anybody watching you, somebody old enough to use a knife to be able to cut your bars into squares. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the yogurt granola bars, and check back next Friday for Cooking Fridays with Preschool Plan with me. Bye-bye!